Luna Classic is testing a crucial resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Luna Classic, yesterday we were testing a crucial support level and we saw a beautiful break of that formation. I mentioned that this bullish engulfing candle is going to be very, very important for Luna Classic because of the fact that we have to break above the exponential moving averages, and you can see that continuation was definitely there, and we saw a beautiful wick retesting the 19.7 level. Now, there is something to note, of course, is the fact that the previous support, which was a very crucial level here at the 18, is now acting as a resistance point. Although we did have a nice 6% move today on Luna Classic, this doesn't mean that we are out of bearish territory just yet. Ideally, what I would like to see is strong bullish momentum breaking above the 20 mark, which is a very crucial resistance point. You can see on the 4-hour, we had multiple tests at this level and failed to break above. So it's going to be very important for the bullish case scenario to continue. Ideally, if we do get above that 20 mark, we can definitely be looking for another push to that 22 resistance level, and then things obviously become very crucial. Ideally, what we would like to see is a break above this 22 level, find it as support, and then that continuation. But we have to keep in mind the fact that right now these exponential moving averages are acting as a support level. Usually when you tend to see this, we do have a very large move set on Luna Classic, but because of the volatility recently in the crypto markets, we have to be very, very careful and make sure we get in on the proper entries. Right now, we would have to wait for a possible pullback opportunity on these exponential moving averages, see whether or not they can continue holding on the 4-hour chart, and then that continuation. On the hourly time frames, you can see Luna Classic is looking to retest that support level. We did test it once already in terms of the exponential moving averages. We had a very slow movement right over here. You can see that we didn't quite see that volume come in, and then immediately after, we had a beautiful wick retesting that 19.5. Right now, though, you guys can see the same sort of formation as we still have to hold this level right here at 18.3, and then that continuation. This is a medium-term support level, which Luna Classic did create. You can see on the hourly time frames, we did have quite a few wicks around this level for that continuation. So this is why, even with this breakout, I would like to see a pullback on these levels and then that continuation. In terms of an extreme case, the worst case that we can possibly see is that hold of these exponential moving averages. Anything lower than that, we would still be looking for our bearish case scenario. Now, just because we had this small little pump doesn't mean that scenario is invalidated. We would have to get above the 22 mark and then consolidate in order for us to continue saying that yes, we do have a bullish case now. Right now, of course, because of this situation, we have seen these sort of wicks happen before. We had the same sort of wicks in this opportunity on the hourly right over here, which is exactly why I keep mentioning that we would have to wait for confirmation before we continue pushing above. This 18.5 level is going to act as a very, very strong resistance level, and it has to act as a very strong support level. So this is why I keep mentioning to you guys that this is going to be a very, very risky trade. Ideally, right now, we are in overbought conditions on Luna Classic as well, so we would have to make sure we get our proper entry here. Of course, from the bearish case scenario, if we do get a nice break of this formation, then this 14 level will definitely be tested once again. And I know I've told you guys this pretty much for the past few weeks, that this 14 level was going to be tested from all the way up here around the 31 mark. As soon as we saw that resistance level hit and reject, these were the next major levels played out, and you can see on the daily time frames, it played out absolutely perfectly. I'm still looking to enter around the 86 mark, so even if we do see a nice pullback opportunity and then that continuation, that can definitely be a play for Luna Classic. But right now, for the first time, we do have a break of this formation, but we just have to make sure it's not the same formation we saw over here. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.